Jamaica's political elite are hiding more than just secrets. Some are hiding millions, and it's all coming to light, but not in the way you think. Why are Prime Minister Andrew Holness and opposition leader Mark Golding at odds over their financial declarations? What's the truth behind the money, the filings, and the corruption claims? Hey, patriotic internet friends and family, welcome back to the channel. In this video, is Jamaican politics getting more complicated than your last tax return? Grab your popcorn, because today we're diving into the latest drama between Prime Minister Andrew Holness and opposition leader Mark Golding, with the Integrity Commission in the middle of all of it. Get ready for the receipts, the twist, and of course the unsolved mysteries. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more juicy updates on Jamaica's political and social scene. Welcome all patriotic Jamaicans. The movement continues. Let's get into it now. Let's kick it off. The stakes are high. Golding's certainty versus Holness's uncertainty. Let's set the scene. In one corner, we have Mark Golding, leader of the opposition, who's got his financial ducks in a row. His statutory filings, no less. In the other corner, we've got Prime Minister Andrew Holness, whose financial filings, well, let's just say they're still stuck in the Bermuda Triangle of uncertified. So what's the story here? Well, Golding's 2023 statutory filing was certified by the Integrity Commission and published in the Jamaica Gazette on October 29th. This isn't just about a few numbers on a piece of paper. This is about transparency, accountability, and most importantly, whether our public officials are living within their means, or are they hiding something. Spoiler alert, super spoiler alert. One of them is still waiting for clearance. Golding's family earned a cool $70.7 million in 2023. That's a lot of zeros. Here's the breakdown. $31.9 million in salaries, $1.8 million from securities, and $36.9 million from other income, which, by the way, is up from just $2.4 million the year before. Talk about a lucrative year. He also reported a mix of assets, including $165.6 million in Jamaican assets, US $995,874 in US dollar denominated assets, and a drop in liabilities to $1.3 million. But let's keep it real. Everything wasn't sunshine and rainbows. His real estate income fell off a cliff from $56 million in 2022 to zero. Yeah, that's a huge dip, but no matter how you sliced it, Golding's 2023 filing was smooth sailing. It's certified, no red flags. The plot thickens Holness's financial drama. Now let's switch gears to Andrew Holness, whose filings from 2021 onwards are like a reality TV show, still waiting for resolution. In September, the Integrity Commission revealed that Holness's filings have unexplained financial discrepancies, like over $470 million in transactions with connected companies. It doesn't help that the Commission raised questions about tax compliance and whether these assets are, let's say, a little disproportionate to what Holness has earned legally. You can practically hear the drum roll as we wait for answers. And then, wait for it, the Integrity Commission hasn't exactly given him a clean bill of health. In fact, Holness is currently fighting a legal battle to invalidate the Commission's findings. So while Golding's filings are as certified as a notarized letter, Holness is still in the courtroom and out of the Integrity Commission's good graces. The fight for transparency. What's next? So what does this all mean for Jamaican politics? Golding is in the clear. For now, his financial filings are certified and his income, assets, and liabilities are all on the table. But for Holness, the questions keep piling up. Can he explain those 470 million in transactions? Why are his 2021 filings still uncertified? The Integrity Commission is essentially at the center of this political tug-of-war, with Golding confidently waiving his certified filings and Holness trying to wrangle his way out of scrutiny. But the drama doesn't stop there. The big question is, will Holness ever clear his name? Will the Integrity Commission's investigation stand? And will the opposition leaders' financial transparency change the game for the next election? Here's a summary of the key points. 1. Mark Golding's 2023 filing earned 70.7 million, including a huge bump in other income, 36.9 million. Assets in Jamaica equal 165.6 million. US $995,874 in foreign assets. Liabilities dropped to 1.3 million. 2. Integrity Commission certified Golding's filing in the Jamaica Gazette on October 29th, 2023. 3. Holness's 2021 filing remains uncertified, with unresolved issues like 470 million in transactions. 4. The Integrity Commission says it's investigating possible illicit enrichment. 5. Holness is pursuing legal action to invalidate the Integrity Commission's report and get his filings certified. More like him a try force in filings to get certified. Here are some questions that you might have, along with detailed answers based on the article. These questions tap into potential common concerns about transparency, public officials, and financial accountability in Jamaican politics. Question number 1. Why are Mark Golding's financial filings certified, while Andrew Holness's filings are still in limbo? Answer. Mark Golding's 2023 financial filings were certified by the Integrity Commission, meaning his income, assets, and liabilities have been verified as complete and in line with the Integrity Commission Act. In fact, his filing was published in the Jamaica Gazette on October 29th, 2023. Golding's family reported a steady income of 70.7 million in 2023, with assets rising slightly. On the other hand, Andrew Holness's filings from 2021 onwards remain uncertified, with the Integrity Commission citing unexplained discrepancies and concerns over transactions involving 470 million. Essentially, Holness's filings haven't met the standard needed for certification, and there are ongoing investigations into potential illicit enrichment. Question number 2. What are these unexplained discrepancies in Andrew Holness's financial filings? Answer. The Integrity Commission has raised alarms about unexplained financial discrepancies in Holness's 2021 filings, particularly a about 470 million in transactions linked to connected companies. The concern is that these assets may not align with Holness's reported income. Additionally, there are questions about tax compliance, suggesting that Holness may not have fully declared all sources of income or assets. Despite these red flags, Holness has denied any wrongdoing and is seeking legal action to invalidate the Integrity Commission's filings. The investigation into these discrepancies is still ongoing, leaving many unanswered questions about Holness's financial activities. Question number 3. How does Mark Golding's income and asset declaration compare to other public officials? Answer. Mark Golding's income for 2023 was a substantial 70.7 million, with the bulk of it coming from salaries and securities, and a significant jump in other income, which shot up to 36.9 million, compared to just 2.4 million in 2022. This income also includes earnings from his family's assets and investments. Golding's assets in Jamaica rose to 165.6 million, while his US dollar assets amounted to US $995,874. These figures position him among the higher earning public officials. But what's important here is that his filings have been certified by the Integrity Commission. This level of financial transparency is exactly what the Integrity Commission and anti-corruption advocates hope for from all public officials, especially those in high positions like Golding and Holness. Question number 4. Why does the Integrity Commission's investigation into Holness matter? Answer. The Integrity Commission's investigation into Andrew Holness is critical because it raises serious questions about public trust. As the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Holness is expected to set the standard for financial transparency and accountability. When the Integrity Commission finds unexplained discrepancies and questionable financial dealings, it undermines public confidence in his leadership. The Commission's role is to ensure that no public official uses their position to enrich themselves unfairly. The fact that Holness's filings remain uncertified while Golding's have been cleared highlights a stark contrast in how these leaders handle their financial disclosures, and fuels the ongoing debate about integrity, transparency, and corruption in Jamaica's political system. Question number 5. What is the significance of the other income Golding reported? Answer. In 2023, Mark Golding reported 36.9 million in other income, which was a massive leap from just 2.4 million in the year before. This significant increase is noteworthy because other income generally includes sources such as investments, dividends, and other business activities that may not be immediately obvious in a standard salary declaration. While the Integrity Commission cleared Golding's filing, questions may arise about the source of his sudden income boost. However, since it's been declared and published, the filing is officially transparent and crucially certified, which contrasts with the concerns around unexplained income and assets in Holness's filings. Question number 6. Why are Mark Golding's filings less controversial than Andrew Holness's? Answer: Mark Golding's filings are less controversial because his 2023 financial disclosures were completely certified by the Integrity Commission, which thoroughly examined them and found no issues. Golding's reported $70.7 million income, slightly increases in assets, and reduced liabilities were deemed in accordance with the law. On the other hand, Andrew Holness's filings have been marred by unexplained discrepancies, including over $470 million in questionable transactions and concerns about whether his income and assets align with his earnings. While Golding's financial transparency is clear, Holness is embroiled in an ongoing investigation, with his filings still uncertified and contested in the courts. Question number 7. What is at risk if Holness's financial discrepancies remain unresolved? Answer: if the Integrity Commission's investigations into Andrew Holness finds that there is indeed illicit enrichment where assets are disproportionate to his lawful earnings, it could have serious political and legal consequences. The lack of certified filing for 2021 and the unexplained financial discrepancies could lead to calls for his resignation or a loss of public trust. In the worst case scenario, if Holness is found guilty of financial misconduct, this could tarnish his reputation and the legitimacy of his government. The ongoing legal battle to invalidate the Integrity Commission's report only adds to the drama, leaving the nation in suspense about the final outcome. Question number 8. What happens next in the battle between the Integrity Commission and Andrew Holness? Answer: the next steps in Holness's battle will likely hinge on the outcome of his legal challenge against the Integrity Commission. Holness is currently pursuing a judicial review to invalidate the Commission's findings, which could potentially delay or overturn any formal certification of his financial filings. If the court sides with Holness, it could mean that the Commission's investigation would be rendered null and void, and his filings could eventually be certified. On the other hand, if the Integrity Commission wins in court, Holness could face increased scrutiny over his financial dealings, with greater pressure to clarify the $470 million in questionable transactions and other potential irregularities. I hope these questions and answers dive deep into the core issues of the article, providing a clearer understanding of the political, legal, and financial ramifications surrounding Mark Golding and Andrew Holness, while keeping you engaged with critical details that fuel the controversy. Want more juicy political updates? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next episode of Jamaican political drama. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Who do you think is hiding something? And who's just caught in the crossfire? Now let's get into my reaction, my breakdown, and my commentary. Well, as you can see, Mark J. Golding statutory declarations for 2023 is certified. That's a good look for Marky G, but a bad look for PM Holness, cause his statutory declarations from 2021 to 2023 is still uncertified. We see the JLP conference go on Sunday, but now make the crowd fool you. We see Kamala them did have $1 billion US for campaign fund and win US presidential election, and she failed miserably, and Trump was the underdog, just like how Marky G is the underdog. They did account out Trump you have to count in Marky G. So now we see the PM made various statements at the JLP conference. A lot of bold claims as usual, him do this, him do that. All of that is just a last-ditch effort to try win a third term. Him basically just a cling on to power. You see, had PM Holness been actually doing all of them things that we might highlight now, he wouldn't have to do so much work to try even to convince the people them to give him a third term. What a lot of politicians don't realize is that people get fed up and tired of the type of politics there. You should been doing all of them things there where you highlight now. You see, when you highlight them now, because you already do them, and you remind the people them say, yo, look, this is what we accomplish and what we achieve during our 2 terms in power and in office. So if you elect me for your third term, you can expect far much more and greater things to come. But that is not the case. So I don't know when these politicians are going to actually learn and realize them things don't work again. This is not 1964 or 1994. This is 2024. People are much more aware now. People are more informed now. So try as you may, PM Holness, Marky G, statutory declaration make you look bad. Very bad, because you take the IC to court. Basically I try force them to certify your statutory declarations. That don't look good. That could never be a good move. But yet you did it. So Marky G, 2025 election victory, I look brighter and brighter. Now I look bright for PM Holness though. He make too much blunders along the way. You see, Marky G is a fresh face. Him don't have PM Holness baggage attached to him. And when we say baggage, we are talking about the allegations and the accusations of corruption and alleged illicit enrichment, allegedly. So everybody has said, give Marky G a chance. That the people them say, that me see people are post in my comment section, and as everybody know already, I am not a fan of either of your 2 political parties. Me still say Marky G have no transformational policies for Jamaica and the Jamaican people. The only thing where Marky G have a go for him is that people tired of Andrew Holness and the JLP, and there is nobody else to turn to except Marky G and the PMP. Who else you are going to turn to? Which other option you have except the PMP if you want to get rid of Holness? I said this already, I'm going to say it again. PM Holness did all of this to himself. This is a self-inflicted wound. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and check out our other videos on Jamaica's political and social scene. Your support keeps us going. See you in the next video. One love, Jamaica.